Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Sweet Soulful Cooking with Lowell. Today we're going to do chicken picatta. I have some breast tenders, about a pound, that I've, not only is it pound, but I've pounded to make it thin and season it already with a little salt and pepper. You season it to your taste. It's going to go along with the capers. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of capers rinsed already. I rinsed them out, took them out the jar. About 2 tablespoons of garlic. I'm gonna use a little butter, a little bit of chicken broth, a cup, and a little vino with lemon, which is what makes the lemon chicken picatta. All right, we're gonna dip it and dredge it in a little bit of flour, brown it on both sides, and then do the magic with the others. So today we're going to do that. Real simple dish, only have about 4 ingredients. When we come back, we're going to start browning the chicken, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. We got the chicken picatta today with the capers and lemon. We're going to start the grease at about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3, with olive oil. And we're going to dredge the chicken in the flour. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Give it that flavor, rich flavor. And the olive oil heats at a higher heat than the butter, so that's why we do it with that, to keep the flavor in there with the flour. So when it swirls around and melts, you know it's hot enough for you to do it. And we're going to do it at a medium-high heat. We're going to dredge it in here, then we're going to shake off all the excess flour and brown it on both sides. Being that I pounded it and it's thin, it'll probably only take maybe 2 minutes on each side. But you want to make sure it's done. You don't want any pink in the chicken. Turn it down too low. You want to hear the sizzle when you put it in there, but you don't want it to be too high. There it is, I hear it now. Alright, we're going to brown this up. Flip it when it browns on one side about 2 minutes, and then flip it over again. This was about 1.5 cups of flour. You don't want to put too many. You don't want to stack it in there too close together. When we come back, we're going to take this out, then we're going to make the sauce for the picatta. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. We've browned the chicken on both sides. Now we're going to set that aside and set it in the oven for a minute. Warm oven. And now we're going to do the picatta sauce. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. This on low heat because the skillet is already hot. Add a cup of chicken broth. We're going to scrape all that off the bottom. That's what gives it all the flavor, everything that's on the bottom of there. little bits and pieces. Cut it on low. I like to put a few lemon slices in there. I'm going to add the quarter cup of white wine, let that cook down. Take about another 2 teaspoons of butter and put it in there to give it a little robust flavor. Swirl it around, let it melt. Then we're going to put the chicken back in here and the capers, and then we're just going to shred some flat parsley, Italian parsley. Wine to reduce for a little bit. I'm going to put in the capers. That's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. We come back, we're going to stick the chicken in there, and we'll be ready to take this out with chicken picatta. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. Let that cook down a little bit, because the flour thickens it up, the sauce. Now we're going to take this out. It smells so good. You like lemon chicken, this is the dish for you. Very simple, easy to make, and not expensive. Put this over some, you can put it over pasta, potatoes, whatever you like. It's a great aroma. Capers. Don't have to add much salt to this because the capers does it all. And we're gonna shred some parsley over it. Lemon is already done, got all the flavor in there. Some flat parsley, you don't even have to chop it, you just do it with your hands, tear it up. There you have it, chicken picatta. Another day of sweet soulful cooking with Lowell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode. Stay safe and well, everybody. Bon appetit.